molding. So, for today's video, ang ipapakita namin ay automatic screw feeder. Wateran-800. So, guys, ito siya. Yan, box muna natin. May kasama siyang manual. Next. Ito natin para mabilis siyang makuha. So guys, ito ang ating screw feeder. Wateran-800. Kita muna namin sa inyo. Ayan yung harap niya. Tapos yung gilid. Tapos yung likod. Baba natin siya kasi medyo mabigat. Yung likod. Tapos ito yung ulit, yung gilid. Tapos, na-focus mo ba yung isang gilid? Yan. Yung mga nakalagay. Speed, vibrator, roller, open, lock, gate, close. Para sa harap. So, then guys, meron din siyang kasamang adapter. So, yan. So, what is the use of automatic screw feeder Wateran-800? The Wateran-800 screw feeder is not for moving powder or bulk materials like big industrial conveyors. It's a small automatic machine used to handle screws, fasteners, mainly in electronics or assembly work. Main use of the Wateran-800. The Wateran-800 automatic screw feeder is used for number 1, automatically supply and organize screws for workers or machines. Number 2, speed up assembly work like tightening screws in products. Number 3, reduce manual handling of screws. Instead of taking screws one by hand, the machine fits screws into a ready position so you can quickly grab or drive them. How it works. Number 1, you put many screws into the machine. Number 2, it uses a vibration or rail system to arrange them properly. Number 3, screws are delivered one by one to the front. Number 4, the worker or screwdriver tool picks them up easily. This improves efficiency because each screw is ready instantly, about 1.5 seconds per piece. What it's used for in real life. Number 1, electronics assembly, phones, appliances. Number 2, small machine or device assembly. Number 3, repair workshops. Number 4, production lines. Key features Wateran-800. Number 1, works with small screws about M1.0 to M5.0 size. Number 2, can handle screws up to 20 mm length. Number 3, Adjustable rail for different screw sizes. Number 4. Fast feeding speed, around 1 to 2 seconds per screw. So guys, yan ang ating Wateran 800 automatic screw feeder. So guys, try naman natin siyang buksan. Guys, isasaksak na natin siya. Ayan tayo. So guys, i-test lang natin to. Ito, ititignan lang natin kung ano. I-on lang natin. Ayan siya sa loob, guys. Wala pa kasi tayong ano, screw. On and off lang natin siya. Yun guys. Yan ang ating Wateran 800 automatic screw feeder. Guys, kita nyo may ilaw siyang red. Means nag-on siya. So guys, i-off na natin. Yun. So guys, yan ang ating automatic screw feeder, Wateran Dash 800. So guys, ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.